So, okay, the real challenge is we have lots of teams, so let's get a scaling framework. And what we've seen is a pattern is people come in and basically, it's not like we're going through transformation. It's more that we install safe or we install a process, and it's really outside in terms of process and structures. The culture hasn't changed. We didn't have any clarity on the business goals. Instead of saying, well, what do we want to become? What are our goals, and move towards that? And I know Sonny's on here, and there's a tremendous story of what can happen when someone's really been trying to work at this for a long time. You get the clarity of what are we really after in alignment with leadership. And I still remember that time with Sonny sitting and the senior leaders seeing, hey, we're not moving forward, and it's a bit of a, I don't mean to plug it, but they're looking at the dashboard and path agility, and it's real clear that there's some things we're not doing well, and they don't even care what it is. They see something's red, let's address it. So I think lots of times we go into, to your point, Dave, like, you're not doing Agile right. We're not using velocity or XP. And all they hear is blah, 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 Agile, blah, blah. I just, look, we need to get this out by the end of the year, make it happen, right? So I think we miss it that they actually understand and care about Agile. Let's just get in alignment with them and say, what is it you want? Let's get behind you and help you get that. And by the way, it looks like these Agile practices, right? Agile as a means to end. And I think that's such a difference from trying to install something from the outside in and why we get stuck.
Yeah. And I think I'm going to tie in. Steve asked a question about value stream mapping, and would that help with this challenge? And I think, yeah, the answer is yes. In kind of tying this, a couple pieces together here, right? If we said most teams are stuck between team and scaling, well, what's different about that? A manager can change a team.